Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. So, now we'll be discussing about the selenium. A new topic will be starting it up from today, and that's the selenium that we'll be discussing now. Great. So, I'll be taking you through today that what selenium actually is. Okay, there's a topic for discussion and where it is particularly used. Fine. This is what we are going to discuss. So, I would just start up from here. Fine. So, it goes that Selenium is a powerful tool. Selenium is a powerful. Okay, that's a few single. Selenium is a powerful tool for controlling controlling web browsers through program for controlling web browser through program. So here goes the program. So Selenium is actually a powerful tool which is used for controlling out the web browsers through the program. So we write out some coding, we just do out some coding stuffs, and with the help of that coding stuffs only, we try to automate out the web browsers. We open out a web browser and according to our needs, we just try to automate out. Let's say you want to open out Google, or let's say you want to open out LinkedIn, whatever the like relevant web browser you just want to open out, you open that through it. Fine. So hope I am clear with this. Now, next what we are having, just get down here, get out some space. Then I'll be letting you what next we are having. So it is function for all browsers, for all browsers works on all major OS and its scripts are written in various languages. Fine. So basically it is a function for all the browsers. What are browsers we are having? It is one of the functions which is for all the browsers, and it basically works on all the major operating systems. You take it out Windows, you take it out Linux, or whatever you just wish out, it works on all of those major operating systems, and the scripts which we are having out here, those are written into the various languages as well. Now various languages means that you could use Python is as well relevant, you basically JavaScript is as well used out. So it depends on what is the relevant language that you are correctly knowing and with which you could go ahead and put on all these things. Fine. Okay, so that is, I just left out at this particular place. Let me complete. So scripts are written in various languages. That is, let's say you have Java. Okay, then let's say you have Python. Then let's say you are having C#. Okay, etc. You are having many languages like this, many programming languages like this, in which basically these scripts are written for the Selenium. Fine. So here on this particularly one, I'll be working with only Python. Okay, the one which I have chosen out here to write out the things and to write out the scripts and all those things. That is the Python programming language. So we'll be dealing up that how we can use Python with the Selenium to write out the codes and what type of programming we'll be doing and all those things we'll be discussing up in detail. Right? Now, next to that, we are having that what are different components of Selenium. Okay? So here goes components of Selenium. What are the components of Selenium that we are having out? Let me get down here. Right here. Fine. So we are in total having 4 components. First one is the Selenium IDE. Second one is the Selenium RC. Third one is the Selenium Grid. And fourth one is the Selenium WebDriver. Web, and here goes the driver. Fine. So these are the four components which we have here of the Selenium, IDE, RC, Grid, and WebDriver. So what are these all used for? So basically, as I mentioned, that this is one of the you could say tool, or yeah, you could actually call it as a tool or a module, whatever you just want to out. So as I mentioned, that this is one of the tool which basically allows you to put on different and into that in that particular case you will be able to automate out of web browsers as well, right? So in that case, this is the use. Fine. Okay. Now, as I mentioned, the major components already told out: IDE, RC, Grid, and WebDriver. Fine, these are the four major components. Afterwards, we'll be seeing all these things in detail, but not right here. Okay. So, Selenium is completely used out for automating out the web browsers, for controlling a sort of, I would actually say a word that's controlling. Okay, so controlling, I would say a sort of the web applications and the things like that. Okay, in the second condition, basically what happens for the this particular one, that right here for Selenium we have many libraries as well which are relevantly used out, and yeah, automating the web browser and all these things are actually like you could say like on a way as well in the nowadays era. Okay, so in that, if you are just like Selenium is one of a very powerful tool which you should actually learn about and go ahead with. Fine. So these are the ones which we are having in Selenium. It is a very powerful tool for controlling out the web browser through the program. It is a function for all the browsers, works on all major operating system, and its scripts are written in various languages like Java, Python, C Sharp, etc. Okay. The components of Selenium are IDE, RC, Grid, and WebDriver. Fine. Okay. Now, regarding the Selenium, basically, let's say I want to make out I want to automate it out message using Selenium. Okay. Now, in that particular case, first of all, the Selenium is used. Then we have these four components which are IDE, RC, Grid, and WebDriver that are parts of I would say components of Selenium. So these are having their specific conditions that onto this particular part this would work, or onto that particular part this would work. Right? These are the things which we have out here. So that are particularly to be noticed upon, that whether if you are just automating this thing or that thing. So in which of the Selenium tool, Selenium component which actually best fit the things, right? What are these components, that I would let you know in a short while actually. Fine, right here I hope that this much is very much sufficient for you to understand that these are the components of Selenium and what is it actually. So let me just go above. So Selenium is a very powerful tool for controlling out the web browsers through the program. So it is a function for all browsers, works on all major operating systems, and its scripts are written in various languages such as Java, Python, C Sharp, and etc. So hope I am very much clear with regards of the Selenium, that what is it, and rest of the things we'll be discussing up in the further video. This is all for this video. Till then, thank you and take care.